Well, hello everybody. I'm just on my way home on my little scooter here. Scoot, scoot. You know, I'm just trying to save the environment. All these people out here driving these big trucks for no reason. I just don't get it. Like, look at that big truck in my rear view. Why is it so big? Think of all them carbon emissions that you're letting out into the environment. I mean, I'm just here doing my best trying to save the environment and save the kids and the pandas. More importantly, the pandas. So many trucks out today. R.I.P. the environment. I mean, really, look at all these people doing all these carbon emissions. I just don't get it. I mean, there's already too many people on this planet. We might as well just engineer a virus and release it into the public. That might help. I mean, what else can we do? Gas is already darn near $4.50 a gallon. Nothing will teach these folks. You know, I saw some trucks driving around with boats attached to the back, and now they were going out on the lake just for fun. Oh no, railroad crossing! Ah! Now tell me, why would you go out onto a lake for fun? You really think it's worth polluting the environment just so you can have a few hours of family fun? You're not gonna have a family if we keep destroying the ozone. Well, 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 look what we have here if it ain't instant karma for the gas guzzler. Them gas guzzlers just killing the environment. Gotta save our planet and save the pandas. I mean, come on, America, think of the pandas. Boy, I bet that truck runs on a lot of fossil fuels. I can tell you that right now. We don't need it. We just don't need it. Now look at that big chunk of machinery. We just don't need that out on the road. Come on now. Oh my goodness gracious me, another one? Oh, disgusting. Ladies and gentlemen, I am just appalled by the massive number of large vehicles out on the road. I just don't get it. I mean, come on, think of the pandas. Think of the pandas. Gas guzzler. Think of the pandas. Look here, now we're just coasting in traffic. Now that's how you save gasoline. Saving the pandas, one panda at a time. Now it's so hot out here, my darn fan kicked on because of global warming, because of all these trucks out here emitting pollutants into my clean air. Now I have half a mind to go to my lawyer about this injustice. Oh look, gas is only $4.11 over here. It's just incentive for all these sinners to be in their massive vehicles running around polluting everything. That big old truck sitting there just idling, wasting fossil fuels. I tell you, I cannot stand it. Man, I'm just so fed up with these high temperatures in these large vehicles. I just can't take it no more. I guess I'm gonna have to end this video here before I get real upset. Alright, all you cool cats and kittens, I will catch you next time. Always remember, if it ain't electric, I ain't respected. Save the pandas! Think of the pandas! Think of the pandas!